Imagine speaking English confidently. Imagine watching English movies without subtitles. Imagine communicating with people from around the world. Imagine speaking in a large gathering. But right now, maybe you feel confused. You might be asking yourself, where should I start? What should I study first? Can I really learn English at home without a teacher? The answer is yes, you can. Hi there, I am here to help you learn the English language. In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step method to start learning English at home. Even if you are a complete beginner, make sure you watch until the end because I will also share a daily routine that can help you improve your English faster. Let's begin. Step 1. Understand your purpose for learning the English language. Before you start learning English, ask yourself one important question. Why do I want to learn the English language? Your reason will become your motivation. Maybe you want to appear in interviews, go abroad for higher studies, watch English movies without subtitles, travel around the world, communicate with people around the world, expand your business worldwide, improve your knowledge by reading English books, help your kids complete their homework, or something else. When your goal is clear, learning becomes easier and more meaningful. For example, I want to learn English so I can speak in interviews confidently. Write your goal on a piece of paper and recite it aloud after getting up in the morning and before going to bed at night. Step 2. Start with the English alphabet. IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, and pronunciation. If you are a beginner, start with the English alphabet, IPA, and pronunciation. The English language has 26 letters. The important thing is learning their sounds. For example, C letter A has different sounds. Short A, cat. Long A, cake. Broad A, car. Swa, unstressed, banana. I will also teach you letters, sounds, and pronunciation in detail later. Practice pronouncing these sounds clearly. You can listen to pronunciation videos and repeat them aloud. Whenever you come across any new words, see the meaning as well as their sound. Pronunciation practice helps you speak clearly, understand spoken English, and build confidence. Spend at least 10 minutes daily practicing sounds. Step 3. Build basic vocabulary. The basic words are not in millions, they are in hundreds. If you know the basic words, you can start speaking good English. Vocabulary is the building block of language. Without words, communication is impossible. Start with simple everyday words. Try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day. But don't just memorize words. Always use them in sentences. This method helps your brain remember words faster. Step 4. Learn basic grammar. What is grammar? Organizing words in a sentence to get a desired meaning. Don't worry about complicated grammar at the beginning. Start with simple structures like subject plus verb plus object. Example sentences. This is a book. That is a boy. I am a student. We are learners. You are kind. She is happy. He is simple. They are lovely. I drink water. She reads books. They watch TV. These simple patterns help you speak English quickly. Step 5. Practice listening daily. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to learn a language. When you listen to English regularly, your brain starts understanding pronunciation, rhythm, and natural expressions. You can practice listening by watching English learning videos, listening to podcasts, watching movies with subtitles, listening to simple conversations. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily listening can improve your English a lot. Step 6. Start speaking from day 1. Many learners wait too long before speaking. They think, I will speak English when my grammar becomes perfect. But this is the biggest mistake. You should start speaking from the first day. I mean, from today itself. Try simple sentences like, my name is Suraj. I am learning English. I live in India. You can practice speaking by talking in front of a mirror, talking with the artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Grok, Perplexity, etc. recording your voice in video, audio, and text formats, describing things around you. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Even fluent speakers make mistakes. Step 7. Read simple English. Reading improves both vocabulary and sentence understanding. Start with easy materials like children's books, beginner English stories, short articles, and simple English blog. Reading gives you exposure to new words and expressions. Try reading for at least 10 minutes every day. Step 8. Practice writing. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. Start by writing simple sentences like today I studied English, I learned few new words, I watched an English video. You can also maintain a daily English diary. Example, today I woke up early, I studied English for half an hour. I feel happy because I learned new words. Writing boosts both vocabulary and grammar. Step 9. Follow a simple daily routine. Consistency is more important than long study hours. If you do not study every day, but you study 7 hours only one day in a week, it will not help you learn rapidly. If you study every day for 1 hour consistently, it will help you learn fast. Even 50 to 16 minutes of daily learning can bring great results. Here is a simple routine. Allocate your time for vocabulary 10 minutes, listening 10 minutes, reading 10 minutes, writing 10 minutes, and speaking 20 minutes. Follow this routine every day and you will see improvement. Learning English is not a race, it is a journey. At the beginning, you may feel your progress slow, but if you keep practicing daily what I said, you will become more confident. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is that they never stopped practicing. So start today. Learn one word today. Speak one sentence today, and tomorrow you will speak even better. If you found the content helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the Dear Learner English channel, and share it with your friends who want to learn the English language. Also, comment below why do you want to learn the English language. I would love to hear your answer. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.